Good morning, everyone. Today we will talk about more about flowers, block 1. So topics to be covered in this chapter are grouping flowers, blooming time for flowers, uses of flowers, preserving flowers. So about these two topics, grouping flowers and blooming time for flowers, you all have studied already. So today we will discuss about uses of flowers. So as you all know that every day we use different types of flowers for different purposes. So what are the different uses of flowers? Different flowers are used for different purposes. Roses, orchids, tuberoses and marigolds are used for decoration that we all do at home. Next, jasmine and rose have a strong and pleasant fragrance and can be used for making perfumes. Cauliflower and broccoli are flowers that we eat. Cloves are dried flower buds that we use as spices. We all are using at home. Cloves. Many flowers are used during religious ceremonies. We give bouquets of flowers. Flowers used to make garlands that are used to welcome people or during religious ceremonies. So these are the basic uses of flowers that we all do at home. Next, look this picture. In this picture you can see flowers. Flowers are used to make food, are used for decoration, are used for religious ceremonies or purposes, are used to gift someone, are used to make cosmetics, are used to make perfumes. And here you can see all the different types of flowers. So using these flowers, we make different types of items which we use. Okay. Next. Now we will talk about some other uses of flowers. Recently we have discussed some basic uses of flowers. Now we will talk about some other uses of flowers which we all do at home and any other places. First, flower may be used to make medicines. Clove oil used for toothache. Rangolis are made from flowers. Sunflower is used to make oil that you all use at home. Rose water is used to flavor food that also we do at home. Colors extracted from flowers can be used to play होली. आप लोग में से बहुत लोग या हम सभी लोग होली खेलते हैं. It is a festival और होली में हम colors use करते हैं. तो आप लोगों ने सुना होगा कि sometimes we use organic colors. तो organic colors means वो organic colors किससे बने होते हैं? वो flowers से बने होते हैं, वो organic होते हैं and are very safe for us. Next, flowers are pleasant looking, have fragrance and are colorful. Thus, they are used for so many purposes. Flowers have pleasant smell, are beautiful and feel good. They make people happy, so they are used to gift someone. So these are the some other uses of flowers which we do. Now we will talk about how do flowers help the plants. Seeds and fruits are formed from flowers. As you all know that seeds and fruits are formed from flowers and they help to make new plants. If we pluck all the flowers from plant, so new plant would not form. New plant will not grow. It will not form. Next, preserving flowers. This is the other topic, preserving flowers. So, here we will talk about different methods by which flowers can be preserved. So, flowers can be preserved for a short term by keeping them in water. Bouquets are preserved by this method. Florists also preserve flowers this way. It keeps flowers fresh for some days. Flowers can also be dried and preserved. One common way is to dry them in between sheets of newspaper. Dried flowers can last for a very long time. Dried flower petals can be kept in room for fragrance. They can also be used to make cards and other decorative items. Botanists specializing in the study of plant collect flowers and preserve them so that they can study their features later. We also get to see flowers of faraway places. Here you can see ways of preserving flowers. So these are the ways by which flowers can be preserved. Keeping them in water, drying them in air, keeping in newspaper, keeping in chemicals. Now again we will talk about some other ways of preserving flowers. Flowers are sometimes preserved in water to which glycerine or other chemicals are added. This keeps them fresh even longer. Flowers can also be dried using other methods like hanging bunches upside down in the air. Preserved flowers are used for decoration, to give fragrance in rooms and many other things. Now, difference between two methods. So what are these two methods? Keeping them in water and drying them in air. So first we will discuss keeping them in water. Flowers are preserved for a few days by keeping them in water. The flowers stay fresh for a few days. The cut stem absorbs water and keep them fresh. So in this way, we can preserve flowers. Here, flowers can be preserved for a longer time by drying them. Flowers petals are dried in between sheets of newspaper or by keeping them in the open. In this way also we can preserve flowers. Now, why do we need to preserve flowers and how does it help us? So flowers are delicate and get spoiled fast. We need to preserve cut flowers. It also helps to keep flowers fresh for a long time and it also helps to transport them to other places. So today's homework is you have to complete your S2, S3 and S4 in your workbook and you have to read block 1 more about flowers. Thank you.